Everyone making this design on Figma, Photoshop. What if I tell you that this design is totally made on Canva? If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get dive into the video. Take another page, and over here, what I am going to do is search for the element that is rectangle. Okay, and choose the rectangle from the shape section. Like, don't go for the graphic, use the shape section. Yeah, perfect. अब इसको अपने अकॉर्डिंग साइज फिक्स कर लो, कितना साइज आपको चाहिए। लाइक मैं अपने अकॉर्डिंग फिक्स कर ले रही हूँ इसको, जितना मेरे को चाहिए था। Yeah, perfect. Once it is set, now change the color of the rectangle. Over here, see everything quite minutely. Like over here, I have taken gradient, not the solid color. So observe everything properly, वरना बाद में मत बोलना कि मेरे को समझ नहीं आया। If you find this video a bit useful, don't forget to share with your friend, colleague, and relatives. And yes, drop a blue heart in the comment